Thank you for your purchase of our BreezeTech Fan by DecoBreeze. We'd like to share with you the assembly process. Make sure to unpack and place all of the fan parts on a flat surface like the floor or a table. We recommend a soft surface to reduce the chance of scratches or nicks to the finishes. First, remove the white plastic locking nut from the bottom of the vertical fan base pole. Then, loosen the collar on the pole top and slightly extend the silver telescoping extension and retighten. Then insert the bottom section of the pole through the opening in the base. Reattach the white plastic locking nut and firmly tighten. Next, remove the white plastic fan blade locking screw from the shaft on the fan head. Be sure to rotate clockwise left to right to loosen, as this is a countersunk screw. Once removed, loosen the black plastic fan grill locking nut by turning counterclockwise right to left and then place to the side momentarily. The top and bottom fan grills and the fan blade unit are nested for shipping and can now be separated for assembly. To do so, simply loosen the shipping screw with a Phillips head screwdriver and remove both the screw, the corrugate protector, and the black plastic shipping cap piece. These can be discarded as they are not required further to complete the assembly. Place the back grill on the fan head face by aligning the 3 holes in the grill with the 3 protruding knobs for proper alignment. Then take the black plastic locking nut and firmly tighten clockwise, left to right, to secure the back grill in position. You can now mount the fan blade on the shaft by sliding downward so that the 2 shaft rods fit into the molded groove of the fan blade. Then secure the white plastic fan blade locking nut by rotating counterclockwise right to left and tightening firmly. To secure the front grill to the back grill, use the plastic hoop provided. Please note the 2 grooves on the inside. These will fit into the edges of both the back and front grills as you wrap it around the 2 pieces. With the fan head laying flat on your surface, wrap the hoop around the bottom grill first, making sure the grill's edges snaps into the lower groove on the hoop. You can anchor one side against your body, helping to guide the remainder with your hands without losing the initial groove placement. You can now take the top grill and place it into position to secure both grills together with the hoop. Listen for the snap sound, as that will indicate both grill edges are in the grooves of the hoop, ensuring correct alignment. Complete this procedure by tightening the hoop clasp screw with a Phillips head screwdriver. Lastly, you can now mount the fan head to the base unit by simply sliding it into position on the vertical base pole and tightening the locking nut to complete your assembly. We hope you enjoy your BreezeTech Fan. If you have any questions or would like more information on our entire DecoBreeze fan collection, visit us at www.decobreeze.com or call one of our helpful team members at 1-800-979-4326.